Uh, Good evening, all of you. Today date is 18 February 2022. First of all, introduce myself. My name is Sachin Sanjay Guge. I'm come from Mumbai Maladish. I had completed BE in Mechanical Engineer, and recently we will join Hepstein Institute in Pune, Dhankavadi, and we will start the learning about Java Web Developer. Uh, let's come to the point. Today our topic is string in Java. Today we are going to discussion about string in Java. In this topic, we will cover the definition of string and use of string. There are two type of string and there are types of method of string. First one is we will see the definition of string. String means what? String is a simple word. String is a collection of character. But in Java, string is an object. It represents the sequence of an character. Is called as a string. The Java lang string is string class is used to create an string object. There are two ways to available to create a string object. First one is by string literal, and second one is by string by new keyword. First one is we will see the first we will see the first of all by string literal. In this string literal, it is created by using a double dot. For example, a string yes is equal to in double quote welcome. Each time you create a string literal, the Java character, the Java lang is string constant pool. It is string is already exist in the pool. And reference to string, the reference of string pool is instant affected. And second, the string does not exist in this pool. um, a new string instant is created and placed to the s1 is equal to string s1 is equal to in double quote welcome, and string s2 is equal to double quote welcome. In this example, the string is an object. We will create it. Firstly, the Java will not find the string object pool. The second one is by pool. Second one is in by keyword, by new keyword. String yes is equal to new string in double quote welcome. In such a case, the Java will create in heap memory, and the literal welcome will be placed in string constant pool. The variable yes will not be object in the heap. After that, we will see the types. We will see which types and what type is used in method. What type of method is used in string? There are lots of method used in string, but we will see 7 or 8 method in short form. First one is caret method. This method is used to find out the caret in the string. Second one is concat length method. In the length method, it is used to find out the whole. It is used to find out the whole character length, whole length of string. Third one is concat method. Concat method is used to find out the concat different string as a character. Fourth one is replace method. In the replace method, we are used to find out the one character is replaces the another character. For example, first character, that is string s1 is equal to bat, in double quote bat, and this is in this example, bat is a character, and first character is b, is replaces with C, and second that is formed to string s2 is equal to cat. So replaces B replaced by C. B replaced by C in replace method. Then fifth method is index of method. In index of method is used to find out the index of character. Then sixth one is uppercase method. In this method, we will find out the we will find out the we will replace we will replace the alphabetical lowercase to uppercase. Then after that, seventh one is lowercase method. In this method, we will replaces the alphabetical in uppercase to lowercase. So I hope you will understand all of in string in Java. So thank you for watching this video. So today that's all it. Thank you so much.